It's happening. It is happening, ladies and gentlemen. In the past week, the RWA market has jumped by $40 billion. Now, RWAs is one of the most lucrative, one of the best things in crypto. It's actually the major use case for crypto, in my opinion. We're going to talk all about it. We're going to talk about two coins that are poised to get into this RWA market and a bunch of other breadcrumbs that can lead to some other dope investments in the RWA space. If you're not sure what RWAs are, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will be talking about it a lot more. Now, RWAs are real world assets. RWAs are another word for NFTs. RWAs use an NFT like structure of a non-fungible token to hold a certain amount of data about any asset in the world, which is why it is so big, which is why some of the biggest corporations and some of the biggest people in finance and investing and equities and commodities and everything are talking about RWAs. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and let's just get right into it. We got this right here. The RWA sector is up 20% in the last 7 days. It's one of the leading sectors in the broader market. RWA sector has capitalization of $40 billion, the volume of 3.2 billion. The two leaders in the sector are Avalanche, which rose 14% over the past week, and Chainlink. Now, Chainlink is very important to RWAs. Like you're gonna need oracles in order to get the prices of what these RWAs are onto the blockchain. So Chainlink is going to be a very important one in RWAs. It says more impressive if you have Mantra DAO. So for those of you who watch my channel for years, you know we're very big on Ohm. They have made a switch over to RWAs more recently, and it's doing very well. It's actually been performing very, very well, way better than it's been performing in the last market. And it says in comparison, Maker rose 15%, a testament to the immense interest that is currently stirring within communities and protocols in decentralized finance. So RWAs are going to continue to be what cooks. It's going to continue to be what all of the major sectors are looking into when they look into blockchain. Now, besides creating strategic Bitcoin reserves, we're going to have a lot of people coming into this RWA space and using the blockchain to hold a bunch of their assets, and that's why a bunch of those tokens that I just mentioned are some of the infrastructure pieces that are going to be needed for RWAs. Now I want to talk to you guys about two tokens that are kind of under the radar that are doing big things in the RWA space, and I mentioned both of these coins on the channel before. And if you got these tokens when I had mentioned them before, you might be up a little bit. Especially if you've been DCAing like you should be doing. Remember, this is not financial advice, but let's just get right into it. The first one is IX Swap. It's IXS. Right now it's down 0.7%. The market cap is at 69 in crypto. You know that's probably an omen right there. Circulating supply is the max supply. That's good to see. So that's why we have the fully diluted market cap is the same as the regular market cap. Every dollar that goes into this market cap goes straight into the price. That is good to see right there. If we go on this yearly chart, we can see that we started the year off at 14 cents. We're sitting at 38 cents, so up 278% on the year. The all-time high for this token is 83 cents from about 8 months ago. So what is IX Swap? So we come right here, and if it loads, it says the Uniswap. I hate when those pop-ups pop up before I even get a chance to view the website. But anyways, the Uniswap of real world asset tokens, RWAs. So it's going to be a way to invest into RWAs just in a decentralized way, just like on Uniswap. So invest in your first deal for as low as $1. With our RX Swap Launchpad, we're changing the way you can invest into these private markets by removing the high cost of entry, which is what crypto did for regular people. And that's why you see people literally like putting $5 in meme coins and making $2,000, or putting, you know, $40 into OMI and then making $40,000. Like you know, that's how it works sometimes. But it says with your IS Swap Launchpad, we're changing the way people invest into these private markets by removing the low cost of entry. I just read that. We're essentially democratizing access to these private assets, allowing you, the everyday investor, to participate in the real world asset tokens. Now, I think that a lot of these companies and a lot of these people are actually going to be loving the fact that they can offer the regular person the chance to invest, because the market and the VC market, or the equity market, or whatever, whoever all those people are who are investing in these projects, sometimes it's just easier to go straight to the people who want to buy these things. That's why Kickstarter kicked off. But anyways, back right here, live deals. You got the Treasury. They're working on luxury wine right here. This one is one that I talked about in my last IS swap video, where they're working with data to develop treatments for Alzheimer's disease, because you can tokenize data. You can tokenize your intellectual data, and then people could use that data by just buying the asset or getting a piece of the asset. So they're doing dope things over there at IS Swap. They got some very nice partners down here. You got Coinbase Ventures. They're part of Coinbase Ventures. So definitely one to watch, put on your radar. I have dropped a video about it before. I'll put it up in the cards if you want to know more information about this token right here. The second one I want to talk about is very, very similar, but they're really more on the infrastructure side, and that is StrikeX. So right now the StrikeX price is 4 cents. Let's call it 5 if we round up. 5 cents. Right now the market cap is at $41 million, which is pretty low. I'm not gonna lie to you. The market cap is very undervalued at this point in time. All-time high of this token is $33. Let me see what the all-time high market cap is of this token. All-time high market cap is 52. Let me see, max. Higher than that. All-time high market cap was $94 million. So we're about 2x away from that all-time high. I think we can get back there no problem, especially because it spiked recently on this big news that we had of it. So before we get to that news, let's talk about what it is real quick. Web3 tools for the future of financial markets, very similar to IS Swap, but IS Swap was only doing the swapping. StrikeX is a blockchain-powered hybrid ecosystem of interoperable CeFi and DeFi solutions, harnessing tokenization technologies for the next generation of financial markets. The products that they have for the people right now are the StrikeX wallet, the StrikeX Dex, which is what IX Swap is, and a trading platform, a tokenized RWA trading platform, which these are going to be huge. When people are able to trade these assets, these tokenized trading platforms are going to be huge to be able to trade rights. I think trading rights on these platforms is also going to be huge. They also have the stock token bridge, which fully collateralized stock tokens. I think this is one of the dopest things that they're coming out with, because in the future, I believe that every single stock is going to be tokenized. It's just going to be an easier and cheaper way for the exchanges to do business. So I think, of course, they're going to want to save 90% on their operating expenses. It's just a matter of time, and whichever one of these technologies becomes the technology that they use, I think they're going to use it. So seeing that they're poised in that sector is pretty good, but also seeing that this news came out right here. FTSE let me catch my breath. FTSE 250 CMC Markets invest in StrikeX technology, cementing a strategic partnership to revolutionize the digital asset industry, which is dope. If you don't know who CMC Markets is, it's a UK-based financial service company. They have forex trading. They do a lot of stuff. The revenue every year is $311 billion. That was from last year. It was founded in 1989. So this company that's been around for a while is actually invested a 33% stake into StrikeX, and they're hoping that they can bring some of their expertise into StrikeX. Mainly, they're trying to mix what they have now with their traditional trading infrastructure and bring in RWAs, because they see RWAs is going to be big and they want to get involved, and they are doing it through StrikeX. So that's another reason to jump right in, do some research on StrikeX, see if you might want to pick yourself up some of those tokens. Remember, everything in crypto could be very speculative. A lot of these things may not happen, but a lot of these things are actually happening right now, and you can see it with some of these investments and some of the things happening on the background. And that's why you invest now, and then maybe 2 or 3 years from now you will see a lot of people using that platform. If you don't believe that something like that can happen, just look at Solana. When people were investing in it at $1, it was just an idea, and now you have a bunch of people using it, everyday people using Solana, and it is it's great. That's how things in crypto grow. So let me know what you guys think about the video. Y'all let me know if you want to get into my Telegram group. I have 2 Telegram groups, one for meme coins and one for the altcoins. If you guys want to get into those, the links will be not in the description. You got to leave me a comment and I will send you the invite link for that. Yeah, it's free for now. So y'all think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Until next time, peace.